Guys, it's Umoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you so much guys for clicking and thank you for always coming here to watch my videos. I thank you so much, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing. Guys, today is Sunday and I wanted to show you how I cook beans here in the US. For those ones who don't know, I come from East Africa, Kenya, and I live here in the US for so many years. And I remember when we used to be cook back in Kenya. I was a kitchen girl, a village girl. I was always cooking with the firewood. I was always fetching water from the river. I was always sweeping because we didn't have really nothing. I come from a very poor background, as you can tell. So we did literally have nothing. So we had to do anything by ourselves. So that's how I learned how to do my own things since I was actually very little. As you know, East Africa, kids can go to fetch water. We can do any chores. We can go to the forest and fetch firewood. It's not like here. Everything is a law. You have to follow law. You have to follow law. You have to follow. You cannot literally leave a 10-year-old by themselves, a 12-year-old by themselves, 17-year-old by themselves. Those are still babies. So you have to have somebody who is taking care of them. So today I am going to show you how I cook beans here using firewood. As you remember, guys, I live here in the city here in the US, one of the cities here in the US. I am literally in the middle of the city, but in my backyard, most of you have seen my backyard, I can manage to cook. I have a kitchen garden there that I planted some veggies, little veggies for me and my family. We have some fruits, pears that we have in our backyard, which I'm going to be showing you in a little bit. Also, we have we added a plums. I love plums, so we added a tree of plums. So let's give it a couple of years, maybe it's going to grow. But on that backyard, I have this outdoor kitchen that my hubby constructed. So this kitchen, when I want to cook something that can smell in my house, because I don't want my house to be smelling beans or cooking beef or cooking something, that's smelly. I cook it outside. So it's not like I cannot cook it inside. I can cook it inside, but the weather is good. It's not raining. So why don't I use firewood outside actually to cook? So today I'm gonna take you outside and show you how I'm gonna lit the fire, where my firewood is, and how I'm going to cook the beans. Guys, I need to stop talking and show you. Come with me. Let's go to my backyard so that we can start fire and then we can start cooking our beans before it's getting late. Okay, let's go. All right, guys, this is my stove. So I have the lighter here. So far I'm cutting this box to put it in there. It's a cereal box. We're done with this. So I'm going to put here and then lit fire. But before that, I'm going to show you where I keep my firewood. Let's go. You can see my firewood is over here. Let's go see what kind of firewood we are going to get. So I'm trying to get the smaller ones first, if I can, because I don't want to hurt myself. So this one is so big. I'm gonna put this one here. So I should have worn my gloves. So we are going to get this little firewood like this ones. So when I do this, I feel like I'm in Africa, because in Africa, Kenya, I used to go to the forest with other girls, and we were going to collect firewood. But here, I feel like my forest is here. This is where I collect my firewood. And this firewood, actually, I think I made a couple of videos before how we get this firewood here in the US. We go around the neighborhood and we find people who have cut trees like those ones over there. Even myself, sometimes I cut trees when they get bigger. We cut the trees. So I go around the neighborhood and then we find these people have cut their firewood and then we use them to cook here. I usually use them during a time like this summer when there's no rain, much rain. So this is when we use them, like this one actually. If we have we're gonna cut it But for now, I feel like I need the small ones like this that I can put on my, like this one's right here. Yeah, this ones you can do. See, this ones can do. So these ones are going to cook the beans. We are going to cook the beans. Yeah, I want the one that looks like this because really, I don't need a whole lot, but I need, ooh, I don't want to hurt myself. So I'm going to carry from here because I'm holding a camera. So I'm going to take little by little. Come with me, guys, like this. And then I'm going to make sure I put them here. So I'm carrying here. Yeah, my kitchen garden is doing well, guys. Look. So I'm going to put them down here so we can make fire. Let me get the rest. So yeah, this is what your girl Umoto Lifestyle is trying to show you. Authentic life. Ah, this is a good thumbnail actually. Me and my firewood. Me and my firewood in my backyard. We are going to cook. So actually maybe I can put my camera like this so you all can see me how I'm carrying here like this. Yeah, this is much better. Now you can see me what I'm doing. So let's go ahead and put fire. Let's go get one more time. One more time. Oh, get fire. Guys, I'm not crazy, but I'm trying to save the coins. And also, I don't want these beans, the smell of beans in my home. Of course, there are things you can do for your home not to smell when you're cooking, but I want to be natural as I can to cook these beans. So let's go start fire right now. All right, guys, this is how I'm lighting fire. So I use this lighter. So I'm trying to put some boxes in here to make sure we have fire. Woohoo! There we go, Moto Lifestyle. We are cooking outside. Let me move back so you can see the hole on my kitchen. This kitchen has two holes. This one here, so you can cook basically whatever two things here. You can put your greens here. I'm gonna put my beans here, so they are really going to cook fast. So let me keep adding boxes because I don't want this fire to go away. So I keep adding boxes because over here, as you can look, there's an entrance where smoke comes from. Guys, I'm telling you, this sometimes can be smoky, but it's okay. I am trying to make sure the fire is strong before I can put my beans here. So this is exactly what we are doing. As you can see, I used the other entry. I didn't use this one because I don't have nothing to put here. So it's only beans that I'm cooking. So as you can tell, my fire, it's coming. Now I need to go grab my beans, bring my beans here. And I'm using this pot. It's a Chinese pot. Let me show you. Guys, as I'm cooking my beans, I wanted to show you a little bit. We were doing some planting here. We were adding another line of kales because here there were so many kales together. So we were spreading it out. So we added this line here. Hopefully by next week, we can see it, growing. Yeah, our kitchen garden is doing well. So yeah, let's see. Oil is getting stronger. That's what I was waiting for the fire to get stronger so that I can start now putting my beans. Yeah, I want to see it's getting stronger in there. So the only thing that I need to do is to put my beans to keep going. So let me put my beans, and this is my Chinese pot. I got this pot from a China store. So it's called, let me see, King Shu? King Shu? King Shu. Yeah, this is a pot in here. That's my beans, my little kitten beans. that we are going to cook out here using this pot. The good thing with this pot is like you can use it in the stove, and at the same time you can use it outside like this to a direct fire. And it has some opening here for mist to come out, so it doesn't have to spill. The mist just come out from this. I love this pot because I can cook anything in this pot, potato, you name it, bones. When I want to cook it, bones, you know, beef and everything, you can literally use this pot. You can even cook rice in here, any kind of grains. And the good thing, it goes in the stove, and then at the same time it goes outside here where there is direct fire. So I'm gonna put our pot here. Fire is getting stronger, that's what I want. And then we're gonna put our pot now. All right, guys, you can tell the pot is in there and the fire is working in there. And now all I'm waiting is for my beans to be ready. And this is how I cook my beans in my outdoor kitchen. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep adding firewood. If I see like no more firewood, I'm gonna keep adding more. So as we are cooking our beans, I wanted to give you a little bit of tour of my pears that I have here in my backyard. This is one pear here, and I have a swing set here that I can sit and swing. I have another pear here, which is coming so well. And you can tell there are more pears and pears and pears and pears coming up here. So over here, I used to have a pool, but I don't have that pool anymore. It used to be above the ground pool that used to be here. So we don't have that pool anymore. That's why you see these chairs. They used to be my pool chairs. I have a video actually that has a previous pool that I didn't post, but I'm going to post that video so you can see how my pool used to look like. I have a video actually that I'm going to post for you. Oh, I have many videos on me, but I'm going to post a video that I never posted. It's a forgotten video, so you can see how my pool used to be here. So you have to be to tune in tune in so you can see that pool. Okay, so I'm gonna post that video very soon. So guys, you can see the smoke is going all over. That's Moto Lifestyle cooking veg cooking beans actually here in the US, in the middle of the city. That's why I'm telling you, Moto Lifestyle can do anything. You can take a girl from the village, but you can never take a village from the girl. Yes, I live in the US here in the middle of the city, but here I'm smoking the neighborhood. I'm smoking the neighborhood and I'm cooking my beans. So what I'm gonna do actually, I'm gonna get a cup of coffee right now because I'm here just sitting and I'm washing my clothes for tomorrow work. I put the clothes to wash in my dryer, but I'm gonna grab a cup of coffee and sit here and chill and enjoy my cup of coffee as I'm watching my beans to cook it, because it's gonna be maybe um 2 hours for my beans to be ready. It could be 1.5 hours because that stove, once it has started, you know, it's gonna be so quick like that. So let me go and grab a cup of coffee so that I can enjoy. And thank you so much guys for always coming here to watch my videos. Let me go show you one more time how the fire looks like. Do you see what's happening? Do you see the fire is going? My beans, very soon you're gonna start hearing the bubbling and bubbling. And these beans, I'm planning to eat them with rice. I'm gonna make a different kind of dish, African dish dish for these kind of beans. But today, all I wanted is to show you how I use my outdoor stove to cook beans. You can see now the fire is lit in there. Look at that, guys. This is what you call village life in the city here in the US. Okay, your girl is on fire and I love it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. You can subscribe, tell your friend and a friend and a friend to subscribe to Umoto Lifestyle YouTube channel. Guys, from my backyard cooking beans here behind me. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.